Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to print double-sided on your PDF file. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, open up that PDF file that you want to print double-sided. So I'll go ahead and click any random one here. And now to print this double-sided, you need to go to click on File, top left-hand corner of your screen, and click on the Print. And now you want to choose your printer. So I'm going to choose the Epson one we got here. And then you want to just adjust these settings to how you want it. And then where it says print on both sides, just click on that. You can even print on flip on long edge or flip on short edge. I'm going to click on flip on short edge. Orientation, auto, portrait, landscape. Just going to click on auto. And then once you've done that with these settings, make sure print on both sides is selected. Go ahead and click on print. So that's how you print on both sides, guys. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this video helpful.